Hey everybody, Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, power memory seats, door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, rear seats, quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Come around to the back, got our GLA 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close, and go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 22,758. We have a push button ignition. And our display currently loading there. Navigation, radio, backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls as well as buttons to access the various functions on the display. Also have heated seats for driver and passenger. Cigarette lighter and ashtray, cup holder, and command module here for making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. Now if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website feldmannimports.com.